I told you, I told you, I told you I'd never leave. You told me you'd never leave me. Tell me why you leave me. I thought you said you loved me. Why you do my heart like that? I always took you back. Why you make me feel so sad? It didn't have to be like that, but it did. Every day I cry for you. Every year I'm missing you. How you do me so dirty? You told me that you don't deserve me. You don't need nobody. Through it all, I'm hurting. You don't need nobody. I've been crying, I've been begging on my knees, saying I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I've been saying sorry for 10 months. I'm sorry.